If there's a skill that helped me grow in sales and marketing, signing brand deals, doing company talks, and even TV guestings, it's communication. Hindi ito overnight success ha. It took me several years to master this skill. Pero may napansin lang ako. Communication is not just about talking. It's about presenting yourself with confidence. Marami akong kilala na magaling lang magsalita pero hindi pinapakinggan ng audience nila. Yung iba naman, gustong gumawa ng content pero hanggang plano lang. Ang ending, madadown ka, mag-burnout ka, papaisip ka na lang kung
pangit ba ako? Kapalit-palit ba ako?
No!
But why?
naranasan ko na yan and I almost gave up. Kaya naman, me and my friends will conduct a fast-track online presentation masterclass on June 14. This Saturday, matututunan nyo how to build your brand as an entrepreneur, insurance advisor, real estate agent, or even a virtual assistant. Gawin nating simple at straightforward. Walang arte, walang eme. Maybe at some point nanlamig tayo. Bakit hindi natin ibalik yung dating sigla? This time, may kasama ka na. Good news kasi 199 pesos lang to. Parang nag-Starbucks ka lang. Diba? Loyal customer ka nila? Proceeds will be used to buy school supplies for our chosen students para may gagamitin sila sa pasukan. Nag-enroll ka na, nakatulong ka pa. Ano? G, sign up na sa link below. Kita-kits sa Sabado.